1981 Ford Econoline van here at Unique Specialty and Classics. As you can see, conversion done to it and affectionately known around here as the hippie van. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated on it. Actually a Colorado vehicle for the majority of its life. Has been with the same owner for the past 12 years. Has a little over 108,000 miles on it right now. Let's take a look at the front grille and bright work. Chrome on the bumper. It's kind of a cream in color. Paint on it is not perfect. You're going to find some wear showing its age a little bit here or there. But still, if you want to have some fun, need a van to haul some people or do some roll-ins, cruise-in shows, maybe a little camping, a lot of purposes this will serve. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on Michelin radials and plenty of tread left on them. Be able to see that in the still pictures also, as well as the underside, interior, engine bay. And kind of set up on the interior like a hippie van. How about that? Like I said, kind of be a fun one for car shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. Doing a little traveling, camping. Have some fun. Kind of a crushed orange interior to it, and there are lots of goodies that are going to go with this. Some screens that can go in the side glass. Looks like they'll fit the front windows when you're hanging out in there and want a nice little cool breeze. Extra chair, the hippie girl trunk, a cooler, little table that can be set up in there, playing cards and what have not. So we'll put those things back in the van. Those will go with it. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. I want to close that door because I want to show you these lower rockers. This thing actually appears to be pretty darn solid. Not a lot of corrosion. El Dorado Industries, look like that is who did the conversion on it, would be my guess, being an Econoline half-ton van to start with from Ford. Once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. So it was sold new, it appears. Colorado Springs, Academy Ford Inc. Like I said, shows Colorado vehicle on the Carfax for much of its life. If you're into vans, maybe just classics, maybe 80s vehicles, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Here's a prime example. How many of these are you going to see out on the road? As we look up and down the driver's side, you can also see those lower rockers appear to be solid, not a bunch of corrosion. There's a little ding or dent down here in the bottom. You can see that. And again, there's chips and where it shows its wear here and there. Like I said, still some life left in this vehicle. Have some fun with it. Exact miles, 108,790. It's fired up. It's an inline 6-cylinder, 4.9 liter automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Aftermarket stereo working.
For Valley Woman at hundreds of locations to also learn.
Look at the dash. Swivel seats, of course. Fold up armrests, so you can turn them to the back. Take a look at the headliner. If you want to take a peek under the hood, we can do that also. I tell you what, let's slip around to the back so you can hear this run first off. I'd say what you'd expect. Nothing crazy with the exhaust, just a inline 6-cylinder, running smooth. All right, let me pop this hood and we'll take a peek at this engine bay. Stick around to the very end of the video. We'll have Jason drive this too, show you how it goes down the road. So Give me a second. Let me get this hood open. We'll go from there. There we go. AC has been converted. You can see from the fitting there. 134A from the R12. Battery disconnect for in between drives or when it's in storage. There's what you can see of the engine bay. 1981 Ford Econoline half-ton conversion van. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving something a little different again. 1981 Ford Econoline van. Kind of dubbed the hippie van because of the style, especially on the inside. You might hear some jingly window decorations in the back. We've got a little bit of decorations in the front as well. Smooth, good running van though. Oil pressure is showing right in the middle of the gauge. The fuel gauge is showing almost empty. Speedometer working as it should. Battery charging right in the middle as it should. And the temperature about a third of the way up from cold. Not many hippie vans back in the day had working AC. This has AC that blows cold. Even better. And we have a CD player in the dash from Alpine. Plexi cup holder mounted to the simulated wood on the front of the dash. Swiveling captain's chair seating with armrests in orange, no less. Very much a throwback van. Padded interior roof with door panels with a little bit of carpeting here and there. That clunk you heard earlier was a sort of a treasure chest that says hippie girl on it in the back. Brakes are working as they should. Easy to steer with power steering. Wipers work on this vehicle as well. As always with these vans, great visibility. You're sitting up nice and high. You have almost no hood in front of you. You can see what's going on. Great cruiser. Bring all your friends, bring all your family, go on a road trip in this really good one. Running 1981 Ford Econoline hippie van. Check it out at UniqueClassicCars.com.